Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to convert a SketchUp file into a OBJ file. So basically, an OBJ file is a standard 3D image format that stores static geometry like vertices, faces, and texture coordinates developed by Wavefront Technologies. It is highly versatile, human readable, and supported by nearly all 3D modeling and printing programs like Blender, Maya, and Unity. So basically, what are the steps to convert this SketchUp file into a OBJ file? Is basically you have to go to file, you have to open export. Under the option of export, you have to press 3D model. Under the option of 3D model, when the dialog box opens, in the save as type format, select OBJ file, which is a object file format. So basically, after doing that, just press export, wait for a few seconds, and your OBJ file format will be ready. You can check it out on on your file destination, which is right over here. Your OBJ file is right over here. So SketchUp file into a OBJ file. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it.